Now we're going to talk about the pastry disc that we spoke of earlier, and this is going to be our pastry for today, our little pastry pockets. They're very easily, they're not that delicate, so you don't, if you don't worry about making a hole in it or anything like that. They're very durable. So that it doesn't stick to my board, I'm going to sprinkle just a little bit of powder there and just brush it very gently so that my rolling pin doesn't stick to the pastry. I'm just going to roll this out just a little bit, just to flatten it out, just a little bit, thin it out so that it's not too thick and yet not too thin, because I really don't want to make a hole in it, because I want the filling to be perfectly secure inside. If you have a hole in the dough, or if it's too thin here, it's going to burst forward. So you should roll it out basically this size.